Alright guys, we're starting out this video fixing up the Camaro. As you guys can see, we got a little bit of a problem right away. Uh, Nothing too crazy, but I mean, I'll show you guys at the end what ended up happening. Anyways, we're taking off the bumper because we are putting up the new lights, as you guys saw on the thumbnail. There was some other stuff that we could have changed, but we didn't have them at the time, so we'll leave that for another video. But for now, we're taking off the bumper so we could take off the headlights now. This was a little bit tricky because the bolts on here weren't like the original. Like none of this is OEM. Like the whole front end is like all new stuff. So it's using some random bolts that were just kind of holding it together. When I put it all back together, I mean I had time now, so I kind of try to match everything up as it should. There was a rivet that was stuck on here. Is that what it's called? The one that holds the bolt. That one was like stuck on here, so this set was pretty hard to take off, but I mean we got it out. You guys will see it at the end. Anyways, in this video I want to talk about what are the plans for the Camaro and the other car. So let's get started. Alright, so I basically want to start off by saying that this year 2026, I think we're going to be focusing on body work for the car. No any mods that it won't really need. I really want to focus on getting the body nice and painted for next year, for the summer. I mean, I think this whole summer we're gonna prep it and stuff, but I mean, I don't think we're gonna get it done by peak summer, but we'll see. It's still gonna be a long time before summer's over. It's just starting up. But yeah, for now I think well, as of now we have the two fenders and the front bumper painted to the color that we want. Here's the problem right there. Completely ripped off the bumper, so that was pretty messed up. I'll show you guys how I kind of ended up putting it back together. I'm not trying to get this part new. Here's a headlights. As you can see, everything's all messed up, but we're gonna take that off. As you can see, the brackets were here's a rivet as well that was on there. Anyways, you can see the brackets were like completely ripped off on one of them, and then this one was almost broken off, but that's what I was riding with because of the accident. We got a new crash bar, by the way, but we got that after, so like maybe 2 weeks after. This is a little bit ago. But yeah, anyways, I was saying we got the bumper and the fenders painted up. A plan for the next month or so is probably going to try to get a tent, and then and a cover for the Camaro, so that we could start sanding it down and getting it ready for its good paint job. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the plans. We did coilovers, that's done as well. That'll be the next video. But from what I'm thinking, I'm pretty sure that should be it. At max, we might get a new bumper because this bumper, as you guys saw, it has a couple problems, but it should last us a while more, as long as no other crashes, right? But yeah, this should be it. I'm trying to think. You guys might see the blower motor installed on this ripper. Here's a thing I used the staples to get that back on there, and then also use some of the bonder. I'm not sure what brand I used. I forgot what it was. But as you can see, it's nighttime. I let it dry for a little bit, and then I put this blue tape so I wouldn't scratch like the paint. Here's a reveal for this. Damn, I'm taking a minute. Anyways, you guys will be able to see I had no scratches on it. All good. There's that big ass scratch on the side, but that was already there. So that's part of what I'm thinking I'm gonna try to fix next time I take everything off. Here's we cleaned everything off. As you can see, it's nice shiny compared to how it was before. This thing might have to get replaced, but that like I said, that's gonna be probably some future stuff that we do here in the channel. Here's new lights compared to the old ones, and then here's me installing them back on here. I think this was the next day, I believe. I had wait a day for that everything to completely be good, for the bumper to last us. And then I was like, you know what, I'll just do it the next day after work. So this is me after work. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the plans. We got the Accord on the side. I kind of wanted to put it in this video, but I might just do it on the next one. The Accord, we just installed a whatever that folding piece in the middle between the seats is called. We went to the junkyard for that because we didn't want to buy a new one. Pretty much it. The Accord isn't gonna need a lot of work. I hope not. We also just did the compressor, which was a lot of work. I was like, it's gonna be easy, so I want to record it. It ended up taking a couple of days because I rounded off like 2 out of the 4 bolts, and then to take it off, I had to take the what is it called? To take it off, I had to take off the alternator, which wasn't too easy. Those are just 3 bolts, but whatever. Here's me putting on the bumper. Nothing hard. I got the jack to help me put it in. The rivet, I just hammered it out. The one that was on the, I wish I could point to show you guys the one that was on the fender, and then just put one of the fittings that I already had on the rest of them. On the side, there's 3 bolts that hold the bumper in place on the side to the fender, and then there's 1 or 2 like smaller bolts, like more like screws that hold on the bottom and keep it in place. And then there's the I don't know if I recorded it. I don't know if I did record it or not, but on top there's just a bunch of clips that hold it in place. I would show you guys the measurements for the bolts, but I'm pretty sure mine are not the same that you guys are probably using if you guys are doing this job. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, I mean, from this camera angle, the bumper looks amazing to me, at least. Like, I washed it up a little bit, but I mean, to me, this looks beautiful. So I don't think we're gonna buy the bumper anytime soon. I'll probably show you guys, and then maybe not next video, but in the future I'll show you guys like all the little places that it's messed up. Like the grill, you guys can see it's missing a couple pieces. And that was due to a crash before I ended up fixing it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. See you guys in the next one.